5mm was deemed to be the most used speculum, but personally I feel the 4.25 is more than adequate. I even think the 3.5mm, regardless of the size of the ear, is actually pretty good. But so the 4.25 is probably the normal size speculum, I would say, for most people. And then you got the 5mm for the larger ears, and then we got a 5.75, which is mainly for mastoid cavities. So you've got good selection there. You've got 3.5 for small ears, you've got the 4.25 for your kind of normal ears, and then you've got your 5 for your large ears, and then you've got your 5.75 for your extra large for your mastoid cavities, as mentioned. So you can see we're just manipulating this wax plug. It's quite dry, it's quite a rough exterior as well, so we're having to navigate around the bends. So we removed the more lateral wax. Now this wax here is much deeper. It's beyond the second bend, so we're on the latter half, if you like, and you can probably just see the second bend there, just to the left, just coming in view of the speculum, the white cartilage there. So you'll have, again, you'll be able to see just how bendy this ear canal is, how much it veers off to the left. So this is the patient's left ear. Now, in hindsight, when I was watching this back during the procedure as well, this is probably where I find the endoscope slightly more advantageous. I was working a lot at the bottom of the ear canal here, or the mid part, but at the roof there's a bit of dry wax there, and a bit later on you'll see that I went for that. It could have just been that I worked this plug out and it was just pure coincidence, but eventually I went to the roof and there's a bit of wax there and dry skin that I managed to peel down, and it kind of helped me to remove the whole plug in one go. You can see just how compacted this is. It's really sticky stuff, really adhered. You've got a beautiful view there. I hope the uploads are going on well, because I've been watching some of the uploads back on social media and also on LinkedIn, and for some reason I'm not sure if it's just happened in the last week or so, and it could be that the memory on my phone is dwindling by the day, so whether that affects the upload quality. I did notice with YouTube you do have to make sure you set the quality yourself, so when you're watching a video, if you click on the main screen, you'll have an icon key top right, and then you can